Si Bea nakaganon.
Odyo po, Odyo.
Yun eh. Yun yung post niya laging ganun.
Wasn't as strong, but you managed it. See? Oh. So you're not collapsing when you're there on stage.
Ganda ng ano?
Sexy mo, grabe.
Yeah.
SOS.
Sivas. Alin na dyan.
Even when you're dancing. Now, the critical one.
Mami.
Nakaraos. At least with some pitch. Hindi lang siya kasing lakas.
Spice Girls.
Nasa-shot lang doon.
Ikot-ikot. Oo.
This is Loli.
Patay ka.
Oh, ba't naabot mo yun? Because, good kid, you stop. And you never cease to surprise me pag dito sa lesson.
Tapos isang gato ko lamang.
Pero, pag gumagalaw na, aba, okay na yun. Good kid, you stop. Okay? It's good. So something's sinking. Something's sinking pagdating ng gala night, no? But that's the point I want to drive. Even when you're standing still, you can keep it up. I don't know, maybe I should make you dance around. Because you keep it there. Pati siya, pag naka-gown, maganda yung gown, biglang mo, maganda yung posture. Alright? Zell! Okay!
Sister.
Baka yung Nielsen.
Ganda mo, sir.
Nielsen!
Odyo po, Odyo. Odyo po.
Okay. Ito yung scary part pag mababaw hininga eh. Pag sudden surge of pressure, pa! Shot. You know, just because you're not there on the last note of the band, it doesn't mean it's not going to be an effective ending. Let the band end. In this case, it should have been yung band na tadadat, bow! And you should have struck a pose. Okay, pero, wow!
Tinugtungan ko yun.
Oo, ko sa'yo. Okay? Nasa isip ko, ay, kailangan ko ng grand ending. Yay! Yun yung kanta eh. So, you work with the song. You don't always have to end with the, wow! Okay, you don't need to always have the last say, kumbaga.
Nagko-collapse pa rin yung ano ko, ribcage ko.
CR.
Oo, CR.
Ma'am, collapsing pa
Oy.
rin. Collapsing. Nagko-collapse.
Mababaw ang hininga. Hindi siya nagko-collapse, pero mababaw laging. So, ang nangyayari, ito ngayon, pag mabababaw ang hininga mo, nagsashot ka. Ang ganda sana, oh.